All right, so we did the kind of freeform shape in a balloon. Let's do something a little bit different. Both of these are solid figures. Let's try something like a cup or like a goblet that would need to be hollow. Again, we'll start with our rectangle that is vertical. Now, my vision for this is kind of if I freehand it, I'll do that real quick. Is kind of a swooping thing like this, and then it comes down, and then it's kind of like that. Okay, and I could do that, but I'm going to use the arc tool to do a little bit nicer job with it. All right, so we'll use the arc, and we'll start here and come to about here, and kind of spin it that way. And then I think there's going to be like a handle or stem, kind of like that. And then I'll finish with an arc. Again, it's a click, and then kind of draw the arc. Make sure you're on the face. You have to zoom in a little bit here. Oops, I'm way off. Let's try that again. So line comes down to here, down to about like that. And then I want that line to end, so I'll press escape. And then arc from here to here, there, kind of like that. So again, this is the piece I want to keep. I don't want this side over here, so we'll delete that. And erase this. And that, and that. Now if I just do this with follow me, it's going to be one solid chunk. I want this part here to be hollow, right? I want it to be something you could pour water into. So I'm going to try the offset tool and click in here, and yeah, I just want that to kind of look like that. And then if I keep thinking about this, right, I don't need this to be solid up here. So I'm going to zoom in, and that's important. Go ahead and zoom in, center that. I'm going to draw a line to kind of continue this up to there. All right. And I think I want to do the same thing down here towards, yeah, see, this needs to be cut off right here. So I need a line that kind of goes from there over to there. All right. And then I don't need some of these lines. I don't need that in there. I don't need that. I don't need this. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and delete this whole big chunk, right? And then I don't need this or this. Zoom out a little bit.